In 2025, the United States Army is undergoing one of the biggest modernization programs in its history. From next-generation armored vehicles and hypersonic missiles to AI-powered drones and advanced soldier gear, America's military is preparing for future conflicts like never before. In this video, we'll explore the most groundbreaking weapons, technologies, and strategies shaping the U.S. Army in 2025, and what they mean for global security. Next-generation combat vehicles. The M1 Abrams tank, a legend in armored warfare, is finally getting a revolutionary upgrade. The M1A2 SEP-VE4 variant comes with advanced thermal sights, improved armor, and an active protection system capable of intercepting incoming missiles. But the biggest leap is the optionally manned fighting vehicle, OMFV, designed to replace the Bradley fighting vehicle. The OMFV can be operated by a human crew or remotely, making it ideal for high-risk missions without endangering soldiers. Its integration with AI targeting systems allows it to detect, track, and prioritize enemy threats in seconds. Hypersonic Weapons Program. In 2025, the U.S. Army is deploying its long-range hypersonic weapon LRHW, capable of traveling at over Mach 5 and striking targets thousands of kilometers away. Hypersonics are not just about speed, they're about unpredictability. Their maneuverability in flight makes them extremely hard to intercept, even with advanced air defenses. This system is seen as a direct counter to Russian and Chinese hypersonic developments, ensuring the U.S. maintains a technological edge in long-range precision strike capability. AI and autonomous drones. The Army's drone fleet is getting smarter. AI-powered surveillance drones can autonomously patrol battlefields, identify enemy units, and share real-time data with ground troops. Systems like the Rogue Fire's unmanned launcher can transport and fire missiles without human presence, reducing risk. Meanwhile, loitering munitions, also called suicide drones, can hover over battle zones for hours before diving into high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy. Soldier of the Future gear. The Integrated Visual Augmentation System, IVAS, is transforming how soldiers fight. Imagine a combat helmet with an augmented reality display, giving troops night vision, live maps, target highlights, and even translation of foreign text instantly. Lightweight exoskeleton suits are also entering trials, allowing soldiers to carry heavier loads over longer distances while reducing fatigue. These enhancements give troops an advantage in speed, endurance, and situational awareness. Missile defense upgrades. In response to growing missile threats, the U.S. Army is enhancing its Patriot and THAAD systems, as well as introducing the Indirect Fire Protection Capability, IFPC, to counter cruise missiles and drones. New laser-based weapons, such as the Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, DEM SHORAD, can destroy incoming targets at the speed of light without using traditional ammunition, making them highly cost-effective. Cyber and electronic warfare. Modern warfare isn't just fought with bullets, it's fought in cyberspace. The U.S. Army Cyber Command is expanding capabilities to disrupt enemy communications, disable weapon systems, and protect America's own networks from intrusion. Electronic warfare units are now capable of jamming enemy drones, blinding radar, and misleading GPS-guided weapons, giving ground forces a tactical edge. Training the Army of the Future, virtual reality, and AI simulations are making training more realistic than ever. Soldiers can rehearse urban combat, hostage rescues, and even cyber defense missions in fully immersive digital environments. The use of robotic targets and autonomous enemy simulations ensures that soldiers train against unpredictable opponents, preparing them for the chaos of real battlefields. As we step into 2025, the U.S. Army's modernization program signals a shift towards speed, precision, and adaptability. With hypersonic missiles, AI-driven warfare, and future-ready soldiers, America is preparing not just for the wars of today, but for the conflicts of tomorrow. The question remains, will this tech keep the peace, or will it make future wars even deadlier? Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting military videos.